Here I have OPPO F7 and let me show you how to enable here the quiet time on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use upper bar twice, and here let's choose quiet time. As you can see, quiet time is activated. You can also hold down the quiet time for a little bit longer, and here you can also enable or disable quiet time. You can also enable automatically this mode, so you can set up this mode every Monday, every Tuesday. You can use all weekdays. You can choose the start time and ending time, and here you can also allow some content. You can allow notifications, calls and messages from some favorite contacts, and here also you can handle with repeat callers. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.